Hey gardeners, Master Gardener Steve here, and June has rolled in, and if you're gardening in Zone 9, you know what that means. Long hot days and a garden that's growing like crazy. I'm here with your June gardening checklist to help you stay ahead of the heat, keep your plants happy, healthy, and productive. Grab your iced tea and let's get into it. Now that we're hitting triple digits in the afternoons, watering is critical, but it's not about frequency, it's about depth. Water early in the morning so plants can soak it up before the heat kicks in. If you're gardening in containers, you probably need to check those every day. Veggie beds, a long deep soak once or twice a week is better than shallow daily sprinkles. This is the time to set up that drip system or soaker hose if you haven't done so already. In Zone 9, mulch isn't optional, it's survival. Refresh your mulch layer 2 to 3 inches thick using straw, shredded leaves, or bark. It keeps roots cool, soil moist, and weeds out. Just keep it pulled back from stems and trunks to prevent rot. Weeds are fast right now and sneaky. They'll compete for water and nutrients, which your plants need more than ever. Make it routine, 15 minutes in the morning or evening when it's cool. Weeding after watering makes it easier, and catching them before they go to seed saves headaches later. To keep your flowers blooming, don't forget to deadhead. Cut back faded blooms on zinnias, cosmos, marigolds, and roses. Pinch herbs like basil and mint to prevent bolting and encourage bushier growth. A quick snip makes a big difference. Tomatoes, sunflowers, cucumbers, everything is stretching for the sky this month. Stake them now before they flop over. In Zone 9, things grow fast, especially with our longer season. Use tomato cages, bamboo stakes, or trellises, and tie with soft ties or twine. It may feel early, but if you want a productive fall garden, you've got to start now. Direct sow squash, beans, and okra. Start broccoli, cabbage, and kale seeds indoors so they're ready to transplant in late summer. Zone 9 gives us time for another round. Use it. June is for shaping and tidying, not hacking. Trim back spent spring bloomers like lavender and salvia, and shape hedges as needed. Save heavy pruning for winter dormancy. Clean up any broken or crossing branches to keep that airflow moving and keep away disease. The heat brings out all kinds of bugs. Check for spider mites, aphids, caterpillars under the leaves. Neem oil and insecticidal soap are your go-to tools, and always remove infected leaves quickly. Prevention is easier than treatment. This is one of the most rewarding months for Zone 9 gardeners. Start picking tomatoes, cucumbers, peppers, basil, mint, and even your first melons if you got an early start. Don't forget to snip fresh flowers inside the house. Cutting encourages more blooms. Your garden's been working hard, it's time to give back. Side dress with compost or apply an organic fertilizer to keep things going. Tomatoes, corn, and squash are especially hungry. In Zone 9, our growing season is long, so a mid-season boost is a must. June is one of those months where your garden will thrive if you stay consistent. Keep it watered, keep it fed, and don't forget to enjoy the process. You're not just gardening, you're growing an ecosystem. If you found this checklist helpful, give it a like, leave your Zone 9 questions in the comments, and be sure to subscribe for more monthly tips. Happy gardening, and I'll see you out there in the dirt.